What up, YouTube? It's Foster with Tech A Day, and we have a special budget tablet from Walmart. $97. You heard that right. $97. 106.89 out the door. And what do you get for that? You get a 7-inch tablet, 10 hours of battery life, 64 gigabytes of storage, Gemini, Android 16. You get a 1024 by 600 LCD touchscreen, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 10 hours of battery life, 2 megapixel front-facing camera, 2 megapixel rear-facing camera. I mean, at that point, why? Why even have the camera? USB-C to USB charging cable. You get a memory card. Injection thing in here. Got a reading mode. Lightweight aluminum body. Now, I saw this thing and I was like, you know what? I got to see what this is about. This is not for me. It's not my demographic, but I was like, you know what? We're talking about wide. I was like, let me see. I want to know for $97. I would hope this is in most of you guys' wheelhouse. If you got a kid, a younger sibling, if you just need a tablet, maybe like an e-reader, something, that you want to just watch some content on, maybe this fits the bill, So I was like, let me just take a look and see what it is, because they make good devices. Their streamer is still to this day one of the best streamers I've used. So this is the device. It's super tiny. It's a chunky monkey, I will say that. You get some books, plug them and file them, as Floss would say. Memory card ejection tool, and a color-coded SIM tray. Color-coded USB cable. And this is your device. Now, I have already set this thing up already. Let's wipe it down. I've already set this thing up already. So, what I will tell you is, bezels, thickness. If you want to just to be, it is almost as thick as my entire foldable. My whole foldable phone, almost as thick as this tablet. So, it's not heavy. It's really not that heavy. It feels good in the hand. But, it is definitely a budget device. The screen is not, screen ain't great. It's not, it ain't great. And something too I wanted to see. Let's go into settings for security features. It's basically, it's like a base Android. Let's see. Okay, so screen. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't have, there's no fingerprint or anything like that. I didn't know if there was so it's just swipe up. No fingerprint reader or anything like that. No face unlock. No biometrics. I didn't think any of that was going to be on here. But I wasn't sure. I wasn't, quite sure, what was going to be on here. But, you know, you never know. You never know. But it is for what you're getting. I mean, you can see here the bezels, chunky, for a 7-inch display, straight Google. Let's go to YouTube here.
Managed WordPress hosting from Hostinger is the easiest way to launch a WordPress website.
You got two speakers at the bottom, so it's not really stereo speakers, and you're not really gonna get, we're gonna turn this up to about as good as you can get. All right, we're at max brightness too. See how loud these speakers go. And so it's struggling with this on trying to do 4K. So let me just put it at 1080p and see if it'll get a little smoother. But yeah, I mean, it's decent, this is, decent picture in a pinch. It's an LCD panel, so it's not it's not gonna blow your mind by any stretch of the imagination. But oh man, look at that. Z Fold wide in the flesh. Wow, look at that. Let's bring out our own wide foldable just to see how it compares. So, I mean, you can kind of see, I mean, it is I mean, you're going to get on a wide foldable. This 7-inch screen, this is all you're getting on this 7-inch screen. You're getting more screen area. It's wider. It's basically just taller, really, or longer. You're getting more screen, than what you would get on this. Like if you just went and folded this, over. So, this is going to be this wide format is going to be an interesting format when it hits the mainstream. But if you were just looking for a regular tablet to do, regular tablet things, YouTube, it's got Gemini on here. It's got all your Google stuff built into it. So it's a good device for, if you need something that you want to stream, but you don't want to throw a bunch of money at something, but you want to just watch. You want something that you can just use to, in a pinch. This ain't bad. Not gonna lie. This ain't bad at all. Because it fits in your pocket. I mean, it kind of feels like a big Galaxy Note from like back in the day. Like that's really what it kind of feels like. It feels like a giant Galaxy Note from like 2000. That's when it, like, if I remember when it came out. So it's like, if you're streaming TV or something, like watching this, and I know you guys, you hate my stretching and all this other stuff. It comes up on this perfect. And this is why I understand why everyone loves or will love the wide format. Because when you put content on it, it's perfect. Like, it's just perfect. Like, when you put it on here, boom. You can watch it. You have no problem. Like, if we didn't have these ginormous bezels, this would be fine. I mean, this is only $97. I mean, I don't need 4K in my pocket. I mean, granted, we can get stuff like that on this. We can get 2K. We can get really high resolutions on these screens, but we're talking $97. If I'm just watching this on the train or on the back of a bus or whatever I'm doing with this, like, this is fine. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm just reading a textbook or, whatever it is I would need to do this with, this is perfect. E-reading, the Bible, if I'm, taking it to church or whatever, I could see myself doing this. Blueprints or plans, it's tons of use. If giving this to my kid, to keep them playing games, educational games to kind of play on this thing. I mean, it's $97. I mean, this thing, so many different usage, and there's a memory card slot on this thing. Like, I was planning on taking this thing back, and like, the more I keep thinking about it, I'm like, am I taking it back? You know what I mean? Like, am I really taking this back? But I just, in my mind, you know what I'm gonna say? I can't. It can't be undone. For me, I'm a fold this way. I'm a fold this way all day. But it's, I see this $97, 1997. 1997, 97. Like, I see, I just, and most of the stuff besides calling that you can do on this, you can do on this. The only thing I can't do on this is make calls. So, if you need something quick and in a hurry to do basic stuff, just content related, you just need something to consume content and you don't need to spend a bunch of money, don't walk to Walmart and grab one of these. I think it comes in like 4 different colors, USB, 2 speakers at the bottom. Again, memory card. So you can save stuff on here. Games. I mean, it's a 4 gigabyte of RAM, 4 gigabytes of RAM. So like I said, I would do straight cloud storage on here. I wouldn't even really be trying to save too much. I'm just doing straight cloud-based everything on here. And I'm just streaming just straight content consumption all day with this device for $97. That's all this is. This is I would say this is a major go. Like, I don't know. This is cool. I mean, this is not bad. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think. Yeah, when I got it last night, I was just like, oh yeah, it's kind of cool. But like now that I'm like, because I have a folding phone, it just kind of, these things don't do much for me anymore. But dog, for $97, this might not be going back now. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it away. Who knows? We'll see. Don't know. But yeah, it's a great device. What can I say? Talk to you guys later.